Leaving behind the nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing all the gifts that my ancestors gave, I rise. I am the dream and hope of the slave. I rise, and I rise. Hello everyone, this is Disha. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to take you through my journey of class 10 plus 1 and 10 plus 2 and through my NEET journey. Plus 1 and plus 2 are the most important years of a student's life because these are the years that will decide the course of your life. So, my journey was full of ups and downs. It was in the March 2019 that I gave my 10th board exams. I had already decided to take medical stream. So like every other student, I also decided to join a renowned coaching institute of my city. So I thought that it would be quite easy for me, like go to the institute, solve MCQs, and you become a doctor. But no, that was not for me. It was not that easy for me. The very first day when I went to the institute, I was so shocked. I was so surprised to see a crowd of 100 to 150 students in one class. I went there for a week or so, but I was not able to cope up with the fast pace at which the teachers taught. I completely lost my track of studies. I used to cry at nights. So I told my parents that no, I can't continue in this coaching institute. So my parents supported my decision and I left it. Then I started going to my school regularly and I started focusing on my school exams. But in the mid of 11th class, when I had completely dropped the idea of giving NEET, at that time I was talking to my grandfather and he told me that he had seen everything in life. The only thing he wanted to see next was me in a white coat. Now, these were the words. This last dream of my grandfather motivated me. These words completely changed my thoughts, completely changed myself, and I told to myself that no, I have to do it. I have to clear NEET. Then I started studying very sincerely. I studied NCERT and other books also. But in December or January, when I gave my first mock test, it went horrible. My marks were very disappointing. They shattered me, and again I started feeling very demotivated. I felt that this is not my cup of tea. Even after studying so much, I am not able to do MCQs. So I was again very disappointed. But then my plus 2 started, and due to COVID, there was a lockdown. So my parents and my brother motivated me that this is the time which I should utilize to cover all my mistakes. So lockdown was the time which helped me to cover plus 1 again. And from the very beginning of plus 2, I studied it sincerely. And during that time, I also did MCQ practice also. But again in January 2021, when I started giving mock test, again my mock tests were horrible. I was not able to score good marks. Again, I was disappointed and shattered. And that was the time when I lost my grandfather. That was a very disheartening moment for me. I was completely broken. Then those words of my grandfather, his last dream of the last dream of my grandfather again motivated me. Those words again came in my mind, and I said, no, I have to do it. I will cover all my mistakes. I will not repeat the mistakes. I realized that I lacked at MCQ practice, and I said that I will practice more and more MCQs. Whether it takes early mornings or late nights, I will do it. And from February 2021, I started practicing MCQs. I practiced MCQs chapter wise also. I gave mock test. I started giving many mock tests. I gave many mock tests of NTA Abhyas app, and I practiced previous year questions many times, and my whole focus was on MCQ practice. So from the months of July or August, I gave mock test. I did not care what marks I scored, whether they were good or not. I kept on giving test. So on the final day of the exam, 12th September 2021, I was very happy with my performance because I had given my everything into it. I had given my 100% into it. I was not worried about the results because as we know that destiny is fixed. All we have to do is put our efforts, and I had given my 100%, so I did not worry about the results. On the result day, I was more than happy to score 668 marks. So the lesson that I want to tell you is that it is never too late to start. If you start today also, and if you are completely dedicated and motivated, then you can clear any exam. We have to just make an effort to start, and it is never too late to do that. Thanks for watching, and in my subsequent videos I will also be dealing with the detailed experience of my physics, chemistry and biology. Thank you.